Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for a vacation home with Ally Bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your budget and determining how much you can save each month. Calculate the total cost of the vacation home you desire. Research the location to understand the market trends and property values. Open a high-yield savings account with Ally Bank to maximize your interest earnings. Visit the Ally Bank website or download the app to get. Follow the prompts to create an account, providing necessary personal and financial information. Link your primary checking account for easy transfers to your savings account. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your Ally savings account. Choose a realistic savings goal and a timeline for reaching that goal. Regularly review your budget to identify areas where you can cut expenses and increase your savings. Consider additional income sources, such as part-time work or freelancing, to boost your savings. Utilize thorough budgeting tools available on the Ally Bank app to track your progress. Monitor interest rates and adjust your savings strategies if needed to stay on track. Make saving for your vacation home a priority by separating your vacation savings from your everyday spending. Celebrate milestones along the way to keep yourself motivated. Stay disciplined and avoid withdrawing from your savings account unless it's absolutely necessary. By following these steps, you're on your way to making your vacation home dream a reality with Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.